Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Starlink Gen 2 router. If you still know your Wi-Fi password and can access the Starlink app, this is the easiest way to do a factory reset. First, connect your device to your Starlink network. Open the Starlink app and go to Settings. After that, select Router and look for the Factory Reset option. Tap on it and drag the slider to confirm. The router will begin resetting and may take a few minutes to restart. Wait until the process is complete before reconnecting. If you cannot access the app, you can use the manual reset method. Start by unplugging the power cord from the router. Wait about 2 to 3 seconds, then plug it back in. Repeat this exact process 6 times in a row. It is important to keep the timing consistent during each cycle. After the 6th time, leave the router plugged in and do not disconnect it again. The router will now begin the factory reset process. This can take around 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient and allow it to finish completely. Once the reset is done, you can then connect to it and set up your router again from the beginning. Thanks for watching.